Hello, Lisa here from SterlingSilverMoneyClips.com, where I also make pendants. Seen here are my new series, and my first actually, I call Alien Seed. These are all made from cuttlefish bone. It's a really old art form, very cool technique, where you hand carve into the cuttlefish bone, carve out your shape, and then pour molten silver into it, and you get these amazing textures. Oop, don't mind my chicken there, just saying hello. These textures, like all these lines you see here, these all come from the cuttlefish bone. And so, of course, each bone is completely different, so you get a completely unique piece. There'll never be another one like it. They're all one of a kind. Now, I actually take two bones pressed together, so that way I get a complete three-dimensional look where this amazing, awesome texture goes all the way around. And I also carve in this bail where the hole goes through. I incorporate that into my carving. And I also offer them with or without a necklace. This here, as an example, is a 4mm black leather cord, and it will always have a sterling silver clasp. It's a hook and eye one here. Now, I call these alien seeds because they have this rare, almost ominous looking presence. They really do. It's kind of out of this world. And I will be doing more. So thank you for watching, and please come visit SterlingSilverMoneyClips.com, where you can also order yourself a unique, one-of-a-kind pendant.